So today we are going to discuss about fact and issue. It is mentioned under section number 3 of Indian Evidence Act. So fact which is asserted by one party and denied by another party. So one party is asserting it and another party is denying it. So in order to ascertain what the actual problem is between the party, the court makes a fact and issue. Okay, so fact and issue is the principal or main fact which determines right and liability of the parties. So it is the main question, a principal question or main fact which determines the right and liability of the party. Like two person uh, are contesting on a property, that this property belongs to me, and he's saying, the other person is saying that the property belongs to me. So this is fact and issue, and the court is going to finally determine as to to whom the property belongs and who has right in the property or who has a liability on it. So it is it is the main fact which determines the right and liability of parties. Any fact, the determination of which will lead to disposal of the case. So if the court is going to resolve the main issue as to who is the owner of the property, ultimately the case will be disposed of. So any fact that determines of which will lead to disposal of case. So for example, A sues B for breach of contract. So fact and issue, whether there was a contract or not, this could be a fact and issue. Whether there was a breach of contract by B or not, this could also be a fact and issue.